Hey everybody, today we're going to do Hostess Shamrock Cupcakes. 8 individually wrapped cupcakes, limited edition. Here's what they're supposed to look like, and hopefully it's a mint filling. It's a frosted chocolate cake with mint creamy filling. And here's the side. Here's the bottom. Here's the other side. Then here's the top. And then we'll go in for the nutrition facts. Now, nutrition facts say serving size 1 cake. That's kind of bad. Servings per container 8. Calories 160. Calories from fat 50. Total fat 5 grams. Saturated fat 2.5 grams. Trans fat 0 grams. Cholesterol 0 milligrams. Sodium 220 milligrams, total carbohydrates 27 grams, dietary fiber 1 gram, sugars 19 grams, and protein 1 gram. Now let's open it up. We can find the opening. There it is. And let's see what they're like. Maybe they're going to be like another product and be really minty. It's a child-proof box. Alright, here we go. Let me park that right there. Now this is the overall appearance of the packaging. It has Hostess in red and white around it, and except for the back. Excuse me. And let's open it up and go right into this, looking at the stuff that falls out and down. I don't know about this one. This is, okay, that's what, there's the beauty shot. Okay, it's not much of a beauty shot. There's the top with the mint frosting, and then the little white icing rings, if you will, or loops. But in this particular one, yeah, it might have been the end of the run on the production. That's a bit rough right there. But here we go with that bite. We're just going to go in right here. And that's what it looks like on the interior. Let me try another one here. Clean up that mess. Okay, and there's almost like a side view. The mint on this is subtle. It's not like the previous product, which basically tasted like a McDonald's Shamrock Shake. This is very subtle, very smooth, very creamy. This is something that, yeah, is very enjoyable, especially if you had a glass of milk. But here we go. This is good. I give you thumbs up, Hostess, on this one. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe, and share with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Take care.